In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a powerful communication tool that helps you stay connected with your team, whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use it for chatting with coworkers, setting up meetings through Google Meet, and scheduling meetings directly in the Teams calendar. Let's start with using Teams for chatting with your team and coworkers. Once you're signed into Microsoft Teams, look for the chat section on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can send direct messages to individuals or create group conversations. To start a new chat, click the new chat icon, then type the name or email of the person you want to talk to. When their name appears, select it, and a chat window will open on the right. Type your message at the bottom and press enter to send. You can also add emojis, attach files, or share links. For team conversations, go to the Teams tab instead, choose the appropriate team and channel, and type your message in the Start a New Post area. Channel messages are visible to everyone in that team, which is great for announcements and discussions that the whole group should see. Next, let's talk about setting a meeting through Google Meet while still working inside Microsoft Teams. In many organizations, people use both tools, so it helps to know how to connect them. In your chat or team channel, you can paste a Google Meet link that you created separately in your calendar or Google account. Simply schedule your Google Meet as usual, copy the meeting link, then come back to Teams and paste that link into the chat or channel where your participants are. Add a short message explaining the date and time of the meeting, then send it so everyone can click and join when it's time. Finally, you can schedule meetings directly via the calendar inside Microsoft Teams. On the left side of Teams, click on Calendar. Here, you'll see a weekly or monthly view of your schedule. To create a new meeting, click New Meeting in the top right corner. A form will appear where you can add a meeting title, choose the date and time, and invite participants by entering their names or email addresses. You can also add a description or agenda in the meeting details box. When you're done, click Save or Send. Teams will automatically create an online meeting link and send calendar invitations to your attendees. By using chat, external links like Google Meet, and the built-in calendar, you can keep all of your communication organized inside Microsoft Teams and make collaboration much smoother for you and your team.